In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stretch an image in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to distort an image so you can create a custom look, fill awkward spaces, or add a stylized effect, all while keeping control over what shows on your canvas. Start by placing your photo or image onto your Canva design canvas. Make sure it's sitting on the page and selected so you can work with it right away. With the image in place, double-click it to enter crop mode. You'll know you are there when you see a white border appear around the image with handles on the corners and edges. Crop mode is where you control what portion of the image is visible, and it also gives you the handles you need for stretching. Now move your cursor over one of the corner handles and pause until you see the double arrow icon. That icon tells you are on the correct control for resizing from the corner. Next, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click and drag that corner handle. Holding Shift tells Canva you want to distort the image rather than keeping its original proportions. As you drag, you'll see the picture stretch or squash. Pull more to one side to push it wider, move upward or downward to make it taller or flatter. Or go diagonally to affect both directions at the same time. Work slowly and watch the key details in your image so you keep them looking intentional. Continue dragging until the stretch fits your design. If the effect looks too strong, ease back slightly small. Precise moves often look cleaner. When the distortion feels right, make sure the entire stretched image is actually visible on the canvas. Use the outer crop handles, the white border, to reveal everything. Drag those crop edges outward to uncover any portions that might be hidden by the crop frame. Or bring them inward to trim away what you don't want. The goal here is to have the full stretched shape sitting neatly within your canvas, with nothing accidentally clipped. When you are satisfied, click Done to apply the changes. This exits crop mode and locks in the stretch, so your design reflects exactly what you created. If you decide to fine-tune later, you can always double-click the image again to re-enter crop mode and adjust the stretch or the crop. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.